It is a great honor for me to stand before you this evening, full of joy, pride. Pride that we have 28 states. Pride that we are the largest growing party on the continent. We are not just the person saying so. Internationally acknowledged. They are talking to us. They know what we have achieved. And they are watching us. Democracy is a must. And this country is the heart of the continent. So what you represent is very significant and has a meaning for the continent. It is in your hand. I, as one leader, must say thank you very much. Listen to the vote of confidence from the Governor General. Listen to the party chairman. Listen to the vice president. Listen to the speaker. Listen, the honorable speaker. Listen to the Senate president. It is encouraging to just stand here, say good night, and we'll go to sleep. But our job is not done. We must continue to remind ourselves what the data means for us. God got us here. I am a symbol of that God. Because without him, I won't be here. I can say the governor of Yobe and many of his colleagues and partners, they knew the obstacle on my way. Obasani can testify to that. There was a white bush fire. The currency redesigning. The queue at the petrol station. Call that people died, not able to have 1 meal a day because of lack of money. Just for one election. So, if you are truly a believer in God's job, in God's work, let us thank God. Let us be faithful to our words. We must continue to be resolute that this democracy that we take in our hands must not fail. To me, we say we are bigger, yes, we are larger, and we are taller. But it is in our hand now to be accommodating. That's the only way we can be resilient. Be tolerant. Move a little bit. Okay, if you have a huge living room as big as this, create a little bit of room for your neighbor who is outside or is just coming in. The rain that is driving that neighbor will not beat that neighbor dead. Will only be soaked and wet. But you may need their heart of warmness and prayer. Accommodate them. Take that seriously. Be resilient. The state and the world level is my concern. Don't you want to be, you want to lead the state or impose their will and all of that? It's my fear now. And there's no need. God creates that opportunity for individual. And if God says you will be there, I am a symbol of that. God says you will be there. So if you take it from me.
Of our great party, honorable distinguished members of the National Working Committee, progressive governors here present, the press, good evening and welcome to the 15th meeting of the National Executive Committee. Senator Barrow Jibrin CEO.
The Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. my father, leader of the party, Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My name is Mohammed Umaru Bago, farmer and governor of Niger State. I stand here to second the motion as moved by the Deputy Senate President. I so second.
Dear leader, the chairman, distinguished members of the National Executive Committee, I, Right Honorable Eda Sheriff Oborewori of Oha Ward 3, Delta State, hereby second the composite motions ably moved by the governor of Gombe. Mr. Chairman, distinguished members of NEC, I so second.
Noted. Still on page.
Your Excellency, the leader of our party and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I stand on all other established protocol. My name is Barau Jibrin from the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I stand to move that the agenda so distributed to you be adopted for this meeting. I so move.
And let me call the
Mr. President.
So the motion was overwhelmingly supported by NEC. I'll invite the DSP to take Nigeria. His Excellency, distinguished Senator. In calling your name, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Your Excellency.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. And those against this motion, my friend and brother, the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu, to
Your Excellencies, distinguished members of the NEC, I, Michael Okpeyemi Bamidele, leader of the Nigerian Senate, and bona fide member of the APC and of this NEC, hereby rise to second the motion for the adoption of the minutes of our last meeting as amended. I so move.
At the last meeting, and having gone through the minutes of the last meeting, reflecting our deliberations as at then, I hereby move to adopt the minutes as correct. I so move. Thank you.
Senator Jibrin Barau to move for the adoption of this agenda for discussion.
Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu J7, Your Excellency, Mr. Vice President, distinguished Senator Kashin Shettima, the National Chairman of our great party, permit me to stand on the well-established protocol. My name is Senator Basani, Governor of Kaduna State, Vice Chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum. I rise to second the motion as ably moved by our Chairman, the Governor of Imo State and Chairman of Progressive Governors Forum, for the vote of confidence on our President, our leader, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I so second. Thank you.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, distinguished members of NEC, if it is the view of NEC members that this motion be carried,
Those in favor say aye. Again, say nay. The ayes have it. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Your Excellency, the President,